Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful heart motif. We are going to make a keychain with it. So to begin with, we are going to make a magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, I have a separate video for the same. I'll be linking it in the description box below. Also, I'll be linking everything that I'm using in this video in the description box below. So once we make a magic ring, we are going to now chain 4. So this is chain 1, 2, 3 and a 4. So this chain 4 will be counted as our first treble crochet. Now we're going to make another treble crochet. For that we're going to yarn over twice on a hook, and we are going to insert a hook in that magic ring, yarn over, pull through, and now we'll be left with 4 loops on a hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops again, and we are going to yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. So this is our second treble crochet. Now we're going to make another treble crochet in that magic ring. Again, yarn over twice on the hook, insert the hook in the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now we'll just pull that string so that now again we are going to make another treble crochet in that magic ring. So we have made a total of 4 treble crochets, like the chain 3 and 3 more treble crochets, and now we are going to make a double crochet. For that we're just going to yarn over once on a hook, insert a hook in the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. We're again going to make another double crochet in that magic ring. So this is our second double crochet, and we'll make another one. This is our third double crochet, and yet another one. So this is our fourth double crochet in that magic ring. And now we are again going to make a treble crochet in that magic ring. So we'll yarn over twice and make a treble crochet. So with this we are done with our first half of the heart motif. Now we are going to make 4 double crochets again in that magic ring. So we'll yarn over, insert a hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Again, this is our second double crochet in the magic ring. Now we're going to make the third double crochet in that magic ring. And now we are going to make the fourth and the last double crochet in our magic ring. Now again we are going to make 3 treble crochets in that magic ring. So we'll yarn over twice, and we're going to make a treble crochet in that magic ring. Now we're going to make the second treble crochet in that magic ring. And now we are going to make a third treble crochet in that magic ring. Now we are going to chain 4 again to end our, we'll just pull the string tight a little bit. We're going to chain 4 now. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now we're going to make a slip stitch in that magic ring. We'll insert a hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through that loop as well. So this completes our heart, and now we are just going to pull that string tight enough so that there is no gap in between, like that. And our quick heart motif is ready. Now we are just going to cut the yarn, and we're going to sew in both the ends, and we'll just attach a string to that yarn so that we can connect it to the keychain ring. So this is how it should look like once done. So I've sewn in all the loose ends, and once done it should somewhat look like this. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I'm just going to tie a string to one of the corners of the heart so that I can attach it to the keyring. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up. And do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!